Samsung dryer complaint, making loud noise in operation. Cause flat spot on the support rollers. And replacing this design rollers, you just cannot just replace just the roller. You have to replace the roller and the shaft. Reason being that these are not self-lubricating rollers, meaning they do not help reduce the friction while they're spinning around the shaft, around the support shaft. And so you have to replace the entire roller and shaft. For your front panel, though, that replacement is easy, but for your rear panel, you have to replace the entire shaft and rollers, and to get to the shaft and rollers, you have to remove the entire bulkhead, which is a labor-intensive endeavor. But for the front panel, it's just a matter of removing the bolt and sleeves and reinstalling, or removing the old one and then reinstalling the new support shaft and roller and putting it into place. You have your bolts and washers. Pricing doesn't change that much in terms of retail new and freestanding and front loader design. These are your mid-range to low-end design. They start off right around $500 to $600 new. Also, in terms of repair versus new, repair will still save you more than 1/4 the cost new, not considering delivery, haul away, and installation. Provided that it's not a main primary control function, such as your drive motor or your electronic control board, then your repairs would be reasonable and practical. These are for your mid-range, low-end design, freestanding dryers. And these are not self-lubricating because you can hear the friction of the treated metal. The problem with this design roller and shaft design is that when the lint gets onto the shaft and you have a high RPM, it causes the roller to seize up. due to lint. And then when the drum begins to turn, it'll cause a flat spot. And then that will induce the vibration and noise that causes it to sound in operation. Current to date. Electronic control, touchpad control with your manual hand dial, mid-end designs. Not including delivery, haul away. The best time to purchase these units are during specials and holidays. You may save about a third, perhaps, on retail price. There is the noise. Samson dryer. Thumping sound resolved. And when replacing the support rollers, your dryer will sound a little bit louder than what you're used to because of a new component. And the way they make that component is that it has a coating on the shaft. And the RPMs of the rollers, as the roller is spinning, will wear that coating down, which then will allow a smoother operation. In wear and tear and in operation, then the dryer will begin to settle in and become quieter in its operation. But the primary problem was a loud thumping sound, which has been addressed. Current to date for your washer replacements of your front load dryer washer design that you can stack or have them side by side on your floor. Mid-range to low-end designs start off usually right around $600 to $700 new, not including delivery, haul away, and any accessories that may be required based off of stacking or side by side. Current to date for your high-end designs: LG design, stacking and also side by side with your various more advanced features and touch controls. These are the dryers that are available current to date for your mid to high-end designs. Repair versus replacement new. Repair on your high-end units is more reasonable than for your mid-end units. You would be saving half on repair on your high-end and perhaps saving about 1/4 on your low-end in comparison to retail purchase new and repair. Your side-by-side freestanding dryers pricing doesn't change that much in terms of retail new and freestanding and front loader design. These are your mid-range to low-end design. They start off right around $500 to $600 new. Also, in terms of repair versus new, repair will still save you more than 1/4 the cost new, not considering delivery, haul away, and installation. Provided that it's not a main primary control function, such as your drive motor or your electronic control board, then your repairs would be reasonable and practical. These are for your mid-range, low-end design, freestanding dryers. The best time to purchase these units are during specials and holidays. You may save about a third, perhaps, on retail price